Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And we have just gotten our Silver Wind Super Rare Butterfree Summon Gear. Yay! Guys, if you're not aware, we can get 4 Super Rares here, 2 from past islands, 2 from this island. So let's just check it out. I got mine from a super rare, or rare rather, rare. Whatchamacallit, rare fairy type ore. I'm still confused about the unusual pink ore and the rare ore, but apparently that's there. Anyway, Dragon Claw and Aquatail are some of the summon gears or super rares that I don't have yet. And it's perfect since they're coming out. They have a roughly almost 2% chance of appearing and a 0.6% chance for, you know, the newer ones. And as for the pink unusual ore, they have a slightly different chance of appearing, blah blah blah. You just read it in the info screen. Now let's just try out our newest summon gear. Don't forget to fave that. Let's upgrade. Oh boy. And 24, I don't think I have 24, so I'll leave it like that. It becomes 1000 something. Anyway, let's try it out, guys. Who is my Pokemon right now? Lava Plume. We already have a bug type ore, so I'm not exactly that critical about the new one. Silver Wind boosts attack for a certain period of time. Oh, bug type, huh? Interesting. I still haven't beaten this thing. Oh, do you need 4 only? Or 5? Or 6? I have no idea. We won't win against this. This is... irritatingly strong. So many phones are ringing right now, I'm not sure why. Well, that was our Silver Wind summon gear to the test, guys. Let's try it out on normal stage because super bosses be too strong. Six. You need 6 to activate Silver Wind. Whoa, very far. Very far reach, guys. Going forward and not going back. Other way around, come on. Anyway, guys, that was our Silver Wind Summon Gear. It's currently at level 4. And I wish you luck in obtaining that. I got lucky. Thank you, because I didn't get any super rares from the last island. Aside from, what was the last island anyway? Outrage? If I did, I got only one. And not the other one. Or did I not get anything at all? Forgot. Let's just quickly refine this. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys once I'm finally able to defeat this irritating super boss number 31. Thank you for watching.